Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about the ternary operator in Python programming, also known as a single line if-else. So instead of doing long if-else statement, we can use ternary operator. So a ternary operator lets you write a full if-else statement in one line. It's especially useful when assigning a value to the variable based on a condition. So what I mean? For example, we can check a student passed the lesson or not. Student take a grade from this lesson. So I define grade variable and assign it 45, for example. If grade is greater than or equal to 50, the student passed this class. If he or she take under 50, he or she failed the class. So how can I write it? In if-else statements is easy. We know it. Let's do it using ternary operator. For example, I define result variable here. I say is equal to. Is equal to what? Is equal to pass. What's the condition after that? What's the condition? If grade is greater than or equal to 50. You see, it's my condition. If this condition true, result is pass. Otherwise, what does it mean in programming language? Is else. Else, if it is not greater than or equal to 50, it means less than 50. Result would be failed. I assign failed to the result. So let's print it. I print result value. I print result. Okay, I run it. Ternary operator. You see the grade is under 50 and failed appears on the screen. I change grade value here from 45 to 55. I run it. You see passed appears on the screen. In if-else statement, it needs to do lots of effort. Let's do it. If grade greater than or equal to 50, so result is equal to pass, and then if not, else block result is equal to fail. You see a 4 line of codes. It takes lots of effort. So instead of doing this, what we did, I took it inside comments block. Yes, what we did, we used ternary operator. And if this condition is true, result is passed. If not, result is failed. Okay, great. Ternary operator is real best for simple one-line decision. For more complex logic, of course, we need to use regular if-else statements. Okay, see you in the next lesson.